Our circular saw blades are built for precision, durability, and speed designed to cut through metal, wood, plastic, and even stainless steel with ease. Widely used in construction, manufacturing, woodworking, and other industries. Use Hongshe. No more blade changes after every project. No more rough edges or overheating.